Hi guys, it's Fawn again, and today is a lookiero day. This is my third lookiero, and I'm really enjoying showing you the things that come both in this and in my Stitch Fix box. My name's Fawn. My channel's called Fawn Figures It Out because that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to figure out being 40, 50, 60, being a lady of a certain age, being a lady who still wants to look good, look nice. But today is purely fashion. Today is lookiero. So let's open this up. Now, you may or may not know, lookiero is a Spanish company. It works on the same principle as Stitch Fix or any of the others. You can get a monthly box styled for you by someone else, which is always fun. You can just have one box. You could do it for 3 months. You could do it every other month. It is very much up to you. You can dictate when your boxes come and what you want in them. Although you get a little folder with your style cards and things like that, which I'll get into in a second. And you also get a return mailer. So anything you don't like, don't want, goes straight back in here. The postage is already paid on it. In my folder, I have, whoops, let me get it out. I have a little letter from my stylist. My stylist is called Enya, and she describes, oh gosh, okay. She describes, I'm saying oh gosh because I'm a bit concerned by some of the things that she says in here, but she tells you about the items she sent, what she thinks would work, yeah, and styling tips. Sorry, I was a bit blank then. I was reading what she said and my mind drifted off. Doesn't take much to make my mind drift off. And then you also get all these little cards, and it's got the item that they're sending you. So what is it on this one? On this one it's the t-shirt. You see that? And then they show you different ways you could style said t-shirt. I'm not going to look at them too closely because it gives too much away. And then last but not least, you get this, which is your bill. I don't want to look at the prices yet because I can be a little bit cheap, a little bit mean, and say things like, oh, I'm not having that, that costs too much, so I'm not going to do it. Right, I have got 3 bundles in here. I'll show you. And one of them is a bag. That was a disaster last time I had a bag, so let's go straight into the bag and hopefully it is something I will like. Anyone that's been following my channel will know I just got an amazing bag from my husband. Oh, okay, so this is a suede bag. It is by the make Closet by Low. Okay, it's got a zip on the back. Quite handy if you're mobile or whatever. It's sort of a navy shiny interior. I'm hoping it's not a clutch. It looks just like an envelope. Can you see? I kind of like that. Oh, it does have a strap hanging in there. I was fretting a little bit for a minute there. Okay, and then inside you have a zip pocket on the back, and you have 2 little sort of slider pockets to the front, and again it's navy inside. I mean, I think this really is suede. I think it's genuine suede, which won't float your boat if you're a vegetarian or vegan or whatever, I know, but I don't mind it. And then the strap is chain plus leather. So presumably, ooh, crossbody. I'm interested, and I like the colour. That's quite a nice sort of autumn colour. Then what will I go for? I'll go for the smaller of the 2 bundles. Very exciting. It is a bit like a little, I don't know. There is something very fun about unpacking things and going through things, so I love it. Ooh, okay, so now I have a t-shirt by the make Garcia. Okay, what would I say? Right off the bat, I think it may be see-through, which is a problem for me. It's extra large. It's got quite a pretty collar. You see, it's got gold around the collar. It's got a sort of design in it, but it feels very very nylon-y. So let's just have a quick look. Where's my glasses? What have I done with them? Hang on a second, ladies and gents. I don't know why I say ladies and gents. I doubt any men are watching this. It is a viscose polyester mix. I really like the look of it until I touched it. And it feels, oh, my hair's all sticky. I'm going to look bizarre trying things on, aren't I, with my hair like this today. It just feels, I reserve judgment, I reserve judgment. The colour's great. Next up is a navy blouse. Boxy. Sort of a a notch neck. Rather than a V, it's sort of a notch neck. Little sleeves. This again is, what size is this one? This one is extra, extra large again. Isn't it sad when a size 16, slip of the tongue. When a size 16 is extra, extra large. I mean, come on. Anyway, it's by a maker called WDC. Again though, can you see that in the light? Is the light catching it? Kind of shiny. I have real issues with shiny stuff. I'm not keen on it, and it generally denotes, well, this is 100% rayon, generally denotes something that will make me sweat a lot. But I must stop knocking things before I've even tried them on. And then the last bundle, which is much heavier and is full of bright colours. Ooh, I don't know what to make of that one. Here comes Ethel. Hello, Ethel. Hello, Ethel. She normally has a little nap on my bed in the sun this time of day, and I'm disgracefully taking over the bedroom from her. Okay, it's orange. It's by French Connection. It's a maxi, I would say. I'm trying to think. Yeah, it's probably a maxi dress, if not a very long midi. It's got little sort of puffette sleeves, buttons down the front. Oh, and they are genuine, so that could be an issue for me with gaping over the bosom. But oh, it buttons all the way down, and then it opens at the bottom. It is lined. Is it lined all the way through? Oh, the skirt is lined. It's lined in orange nylon. Okay, I did see that lookiero was saying that orange was a colour for the summer. Summer's nearly over, mind you, and I've never been mad on orange. So, yeah, okay, and this is actually in my size, so it's a 16. Let's see whether French Connection recognises 16. And last but not least is a pair of navy joggers by Cafe. K-A-F-F-E. They are lovely and soft, elasticated waist, pockets. Ah, they're not gathered at the bottom, they're just straight at the bottom. Yeah, they're not bad, stretchy. They look very comfortable. Comfortable seems to be something I get a lot of, but again, I'm jumping to conclusions before I've even started. So anyway, that's the 5 items. So let's get to the try on. Outfit 1. What I'm saying, outfit 1. I've put the first 2 pieces on. I know, Ethel, stop complaining. Sorry, she's having a good old complaint down here. I'm going to use that dreaded C word again about these pants or trousers or joggers or whatever you call them. They are very, very comfortable. They're nothing special. They're not making me think, oh, you know, wow. If I come in a bit, you can see them from behind. Oh, big tab on my bum, I've just realised. They're lovely and narrow, down to the ankle. Yeah, they're just really, really comfortable. Probably with something else, maybe my sweatshirt that I bought the other day, I might absolutely love them, but I think I might be being thrown by this. Now, after eating the words, it's not see-through. I'm wearing a black bra, and you can't see it. And it's actually a lot nicer than I thought it was going to be. Doesn't change my feelings about the fabric. You know, today is 12. While I was out in the car earlier, it was 27 degrees, which is sort of 80s, I think, Fahrenheit. I'm not very good at the old changing it over, which for the UK is really hot. So most of us, we're sort of, it's extreme to us. So I'm feeling very anti anything that's warm, and I just feel, I'm just not sure I could breathe in this. It's also got this sort of shine to it, which I associate rightly or wrongly, I associate this sort of shine with cheap. So I'm not keen. Now, and that was an earring. That I think what I'll do is very quickly go and grab, yeah, because there isn't one here. Go and grab, oh, in fact I can wear the same t-shirt that I was wearing earlier, you know, when I was talking to you. To just feel this with a cotton and, okay, straight away, I like them better. They make more sense to me now. Because, I mean, there's plenty of room, lots of elastication, and they are quite slimming down to the ankles. So I'd be interested to see how much they are. Okay, so this is the navy top. It is horrifically creased. Maybe I should have sort of run an iron over it, but I'm just afraid, what if I scorch it? And I don't want it. It fits really, really well. As I said, I've still got it on with these silly, well, not silly, but I've got it on with the joggers, which is just not the way I would wear it. Sleeves are nice. It seems to fit quite well across the back. I don't think it's clinging anywhere. It's a nice classic, yeah, classic piece. It has got a sheen to it, which I'm not sure about. Ooh. Again, I think the price is really going to dictate, because it's not setting my heart on fire, but then the classic things, the workhorses of your wardrobe, tend not to set your heart on fire. Looks mad with this, doesn't it? Last two pieces. Now, French Connection. I am clearly a 16 at the bottom, but I am not a 16 across my boobs. Whatever French Connection's, their bust sizing is, chest sizing is, I am not it. I am not it by, if I pull this together, I'll let you have a peek. Oop. If I come in, do you see? I just, if I do that, there we go. Squish my chest in, I'm in it. But, you know, that is just not a way to live your life, is it? It's quite pretty. As I say, I'm not orange mad. It feels very conventional. Let me just put my hand there. It feels very conventional. I mean, the split is quite high at the front. The rest of it just feels really boring. Been there, done that, did it in the 80s. I'm not sure I want to go back there. So, I really wanted to try that bag with this, but it's not going to work. So I'm just going to quickly slip into the outfit I was in originally and do the handbag with it. Okay, so this set is mine. It's an Amazon find. I absolutely love it. It's sort of a lounge set with pockets. I shouldn't be doing that in the middle of a lookiero video, but I just want to explain where it was. Okay, so the handbag. I love, love, love the length. That is perfect hands-free for me. I come in. Yeah, that's a perfect height hands-free for me. I really like the rust colour. I am a little wary always of suede. It marks really easily, stains really easily, and it does sort of scuff and show its age. But it's a nice bag. I like the fact that it's suede here, so it's not, the chain isn't biting into your neck. So that's really nice. So that was the last thing. I'll just do a quick recap with you now and let you know what I've decided on and what I need advice on. Okay, so now I can tell you a little bit more about her letter. So the navy joggers by Kathy, the shape's so flattering, perfect piece to have in a capsule wardrobe. I would agree with that. And for a casual look, she sent me the nude t-shirt by Garcia Jeans. I wouldn't even call that nude, I'd call that cream, but okay. It's viscose, so it would be lovely and soft, perfect for daily basis. Yeah. You can also wear the joggers with the satin top for a chic total look. As a perfect shape for your figure, I selected the beautiful dress by French Connection that wouldn't do over my boobs. It will highlight my cleavage. Well, it definitely did, because the dress wouldn't pose over my cleavage. And then the leather bag by Closet by L.O. Tones will look stunning with your complexion and be that stylish twist to a boho look. I really appreciate what she's saying here. She's really, really trying. Have fun trying it all. Let me know if there's anything in particular you want to focus on in your next order, Enya. So thank you, Enya. It's not her fault that French Connection cuts so tight on a 16 and everything else. But I was wary, because when you get these, what kind of brand do I call French Connection? I mean, obviously, European, but it's also sort of, yeah, it's got that, oh, I don't know what I'm trying to say. I'll stop trying to say it, but I just had my reservations. The first thing on here is the joggers, which I'm sure you remember all, and it's not like you're stupid, you haven't forgotten already. These by Cafe are $29.99. They are really good, and they do feel really good quality, and I'm really tempted to keep them. It's the wrong season, I'm too hot, but they could be real, yeah, they could be a really good find. So there, I'm tempted by them. Okay, the dress, the French Connection dress that obviously I'm not keeping because it won't go anywhere near me, but I'm not even inclined to ask for it again, as it is £125. I mean, somebody must be paying that, but it won't be me. So £125. Whew. I'm glad it didn't fit me. I'm glad I didn't fall in love with it. So that's going. Put that in the box there. Next down is the bag. Oh, they're calling it a Chanel bag by Closet. It's £40.50. Oh, I don't know. I don't know. £40. Should I or shouldn't I? I need your advice, please. Yeah, I'll put that on the maybe pile. Next up is the Jasmine t-shirt that she called nude, but actually on the list it is down as ecru. That is $29.99. I mean, I wouldn't pay that for a basic tee. I know this one is jazzed up and so on, but it's actually lesser for me because I don't like the material. It looked nice on. Well, I thought it looked nice on. I haven't seen the playback yet, but it just wasn't me. And last but not least is this top, the navy one, the workhorse, which, to be fair to it is creased to hell. So it is very hard to judge, but I did feel it fitted me well. £34.20, not a bad price for a top, £34.20. No, it isn't making my heart beat. So on that basis, I shouldn't be buying it. Two possibles that I need help with. The navy joggers and the rust suede bag. I'm amazed they call it the Chanel bag. How would have Chanel know that they call it the Chanel bag? Anyway, if I'd kept everything, the box subtotal was £259.68. That's how much it costs for everything in the box. I get £10 paid back to me because £10 was paid for my styling fee. And then if I kept all 5, I'd get a 25% discount of £62.42, which would have meant this whole box would have been £187.26, which is not bad for a dress, a joggers, a leather handbag and 2 tops. You know, 187, it's not bad. Unfortunately, it is not a 5 for me. I don't know, this could be a 0 out of 5 for me. I've had a few comments now which have been, yay, but I'd love more. I'd love to make some more friends. So if you like me, subscribe, say hi, send me a comment. But I've been Fawn. This has been my hot bedroom. Those have been my noisy dogs. And oh, and Ethel has left the building. Bye.